Avengers Infinity War, it said that Ben & Jerry's make an ice cream to honor Tony Stark called Stark Raving Hazelnuts. Well, today, much like Tony, I'm going to use a little science to take my ice cream to the next level, so you can make it at home in just minutes. So stay tuned. To make a great ice cream, it relies on two things: the ingredients you use and how you chill it. And today we're going to take a little inspiration from Tony Stark and use a little bit of simple science to chill our ice cream in just minutes by using dry ice. Now, because dry ice sits around -100°F, it'll actually chill our ice cream mixture in just minutes. And because it freezes our ice cream so rapidly, it prevents large ice crystals from forming, which would make it go grainy, making this ice cream one of the smoothest that you'll ever eat. So here's what you'll need. go, how to use a little bit of science to make this Iron Man inspired ice cream in a snap. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. You know, they made a joke about Ben & Jerry's being Stark Raving Hazelnut. That was my take on that.
You need to be making millions of dollars. That's delicious.
Thank you. That's
oh man, here, you want to sign that on your
oh,
table
yes,
there?
Yes.